Welcome to DelphStack Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to create ranking questions in Google Forms. Go to forms.google.com and open the form where you want to add a ranking question. Make sure that you are already logged into your Google account. You can create a new blank form if needed, like I am doing here for this tutorial. Now let's create a ranking question like this. You can add a short description here explaining how the ranking works. For example, you can mention that 1 will be considered the lowest rank and 5 will be the highest rank. Now, create your question text just like I have done here. From the question type dropdown, select multiple choice grid for ranking style questions. Google Forms does not have a native drag to rank option, but the multiple choice grid works well for this. After typing the question, add your options as rows. Then add the ranking values as columns, just like I am creating here. Make sure to require a response in each row so every item gets ranked. Set it to require exactly one response per row. This ensures users cannot give the same rank to multiple items. After setting this up, publish the form and copy the URL. You can now send this link to anyone you want to collect rankings from. Preview and test the form to make sure the ranking works correctly. Users should be able to select a unique rank for each item without errors. That's how you create ranking questions in Google Forms. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I will see you in the next tutorial.